Hey y'all, so today I am meal prepping and I just wanted to show you a really quick 10-minute side dish you can easily do and then store to eat on for the rest of the week. So what I did is I chopped up some purple cabbage and stuck it in a pan, and I'm sauteing it with a vinaigrette that I really like from Wheatsville. It's called the Cashew Tamara Garlic Salad Dressing, but you can do an Italian dressing, or if you like the balsamic vinegar plus olive oil, you can do that. Whatever you like, just throw a little bit in the pan, let the purple cabbage saute, and then in order to get your greens in, add some fresh kale to the mix and top it off with your dressing, and then you just let that cook down. So the purple cabbage usually takes about 3 minutes to cook down, maybe 5 depending on your stove. But other than that, the kale takes like 2 minutes to cook down. So all in all, it takes about 10 minutes to prep and cook. And that could be your side dish, and then you can take that and break it down to eat on it for 3 to 4 days. That's all I got.